Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to SSH into your Siteground shared hosting account. SSH, or Secure Shell, is a protocol that lets you access your hosting account securely. It's very useful for managing files, troubleshooting issues, and deploying updates. First, log into your Siteground account and head to the dashboard. From there, open the section called My Siteground Account. Next, go to Site Tools, then navigate to the Devs section. Here, you'll find the SSH Keys Manager. This is where you control and generate SSH access for your account. SSH keys work as cryptographic pairs, a public key and a private key, that authenticate a secure connection between your device and the server. To create a new key, simply click the option to generate one. Add a description and a name so you can easily identify it later inside your Siteground account. Once your key is generated, download the private key and keep it secure. For extra protection, you can also add a password to the key, which is highly recommended for best security practices. And that's it. You now know how to SSH into your Siteground shared hosting account using secure keys. This method not only improves efficiency, but also strengthens the security of your hosting environment.